Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel QuillBot subscription. So, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on a PC, navigate to QuillBot.com and log into QuillBot.com using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see the home page. On the home page, you will have a list of tools. We'll have to click on the profile icon at the top right of the screen, that is this small circle. Then navigate to account details, that is the first option. After you navigate to account details, you'll see your profile page, your plan page and preferences page. So we are going to select the second option, that is your plan, and in this you will see that I don't have a premium plan. So whatever plan you would have will appear just right here. And you will get the option to cancel that subscription in this area. Just click on the cancel button and this is quickly going to cancel your plan on QuillBot. Now after you cancel the plan, you will get a pop-up asking you again whether you want to cancel it or not. So click on cancel and you can easily cancel your QuillBot subscription. So that's how you cancel QuillBot subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.